Now this illustration 18-71 continues with the calculation on how to size the conductors and overcurrent protection device. In the boxed in information, sizing the conductors is the title head, step 1. 455.4, of course, has the nameplate of 40 amps. Step 2, we take 125% of 40 amps, which would equal 50, in accordance with table 240.4G and 455.6A1. Now step 3 is table 310.16 that we apply, and 50 amps requires a number 8 THWN copper conductor. So the solution requires number 8 THWN copper conductors. Now sizing the overcurrent device is our next title head to the right of the illustration. In step 1, 455.4, nameplate's 40 amps again. The conductor came along at 125% to match up with the overcurrent device. So in step 2, 455.7a, 125% of 40 is equal to 50. Applying and selecting the overcurrent device in step 3 in accordance with 455.7a as well as table 240.46a or 240.6a, the 50 amps requires a 50 amp overcurrent protection device. So the solution, a 50 amp overcurrent protection device is required to protect the number 8 conductors calculated previously. And that's what this illustration 18-72 is illustrating.